I'm in the South American jungle. The abiotic factors include lots of rain.
Ocelot.
The tree is anywhere from 13 to 26 feet tall, and the leaves are alternate, unlobed, entire, and very broad.
4 degrees a year. No, not a year. No.
Oh, that's so bad.
Awesome.
As you can see, there is a canopy above me. This canopy makes life down here, like right here, pretty hard because it doesn't have light that reaches it as much as things that are like right here. Right here has more light, as you see.
Not an ocelot.
This is the country of South America.
I'm in the South American rainforest. The average rainfall is 250 centimeters a year. The average temperature is between 64 and 94 degrees Fahrenheit.
Its name from its bright reddish orange pelage and the extra long hairs around its face and ears, which give it a distinctive mane. Its face is dark and hairless. It is believed that the tamarin gets tear color from sunlight and carotenoids in its food.
I'm in the South American jungle. More strictly, I'm in Brazil.
Keep going.
This is the continent of South America. The Brazilian rainforest is located in the northwestern part of the continent.
Hello, children. Today we are going to talk about muscles.